Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust touch controls of your Libratone buds. To do this, you have to be connected with the Libratone application. Next, select your earbuds. Right now you have to go for the tap function. Here you can find double tap and the triple tap. Let's switch triple tap feature. And I want to, for example, enable the voice assistant. So right now when I triple tap on the left earbud, I'm gonna wake my Google Assistant. And for the right, I'm gonna use to turn the next song. Never mind, it's set up for the double, so we have to switch for the triple. So let's set for the triple the next song, and for the double we can set, for example, the play and the pause button for the right, and for the left we can set the previous song. For the triple and for the double we can get this voice assistant. So that's how it looks. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.